Which way? I say up. We want to go up. We're gonna have to go to the top of the island to see what the view looks like and what everything. Just because it's worth it, we have to. Otherwise, what's the point in coming to Maui? Mother Nature. Mother Nature. Anything good? Well, we're trying to find our way inside the forest. Yeah. Feels like the Amazon. Beautiful, it's nice though. Humid, wet. We got snacks and water. I want some time. Let's do it. Now this is Hawaii. We're running in the Amazon in Hawaii. We're in Maui and we have a view that is beyond incredible. Like, oh my goodness. Just kidding. It is pretty good though, it looks pretty nice. Hell to the yes, to the Z, to the B. We're gonna go to the top. Not too bad. We walk through the forest, questioning our direction, wondering, is this a smart move? Or is this really the dumbest thing we've ever done? There could be animals out here. There could be people, natives, tribal men, spears wanting to attack you. But you never know until you go through it, or until you're dead. Traverse at your own risk. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa! We don't even know where we're at. Damn, this is Hawaii. Thank you, Hawaii, for being such a beautiful island. We have to keep a lookout for the tribemen. It looks clear. Anything? Ah! Stay low. We have our spear ready, we have our water, our food. Our survival is at our prime. We're almost at the top now. We can basically see all the grass and the green, luscious vegetation of Maui. And the clouds, we're almost at the clouds. We're about to fly high up here. This is how you get high on Maui without smoking the herb. Maui, Maui! Maui, Maui! So, oh shit. Wow, it's so beautiful. We're almost there. Ah. Maui, Maui, baby. Whoa. Look at the view. Whoa. We did it. We're at the top of Maui. This is the top of Maui. I know, we have to go all the way back down. 3 miles back. It's just worth it, though. Certainly a hike worth it. 3 miles in, not too, it took about an hour. Not bad at all. Now we're gonna be heading back. Dang. So steep. That's what we gotta do. I'm scared. We're going down.
Dang.
Bye bye Maui. Time to go home. Bye.
How hard you work. So a lot of thank you. We appreciate something.
What are you doing here? Hey, sitting up in the front row. There's no one around here. There's no one. These seats are empty. We have 2 little seats for us. Two. Time to buckle and strap up.